Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add search keywords to your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, search keywords are basically keywords that help your site pop up when somebody searches for it, and currently I'm pretty sure you can set them up only for Google. You might be able to set them up for other search engines such as DuckDuckGo, Bing, etc., but I currently only know that this works for Google searches. Again, I might be mistaken, so don't quote me on that, but I'm 100% sure it does work for that. And what we're going to do first is we're going to go into analytics, and from analytics on your site you can go into search keywords. However, as you can see, you need to enable the Google Search Console or verify it to learn which search keywords are driving traffic to your site and everything. Now, once you connect this, you can easily just modify your keywords, maybe not in this tab. However, you can go into your settings. So if I click connect, it's going to open up a new tab, which is going to ask me to log in to my Google account. So I'm just going to do that. Just click continue. And once you set everything up and allow everything that needs to be allowed, it should allow you to add your search console. As you can see, authentication failure. They were unable to receive a site verification token from Google. This is because I did not set up the search console correctly. What you need to do is go into connect, go into third-party tools, then connected accounts, and then you can click connect account and set up the Google Search Console. However, I haven't done any of that. Neither am I 100% sure on how you can do that. So I would recommend you guys search in other places. However, once you connect Google Search Console, you can use it to add keywords to your site, and that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.